Hi guys, my name is Arpita and I welcome you all back to my channel Flights of Fantasy. As a precautionary measure to prevent the spread of coronavirus, state governments have released their own guidelines for both inbound and outbound travelers. Hence, it is advisable for every traveler to go through the state-wise travel advisories if they are traveling to, from any of these states. Now, essential travel has been resumed and the airlines are trying their best to ensure 100% safety to customers during this situation. In my previous videos, I've spoken to you about the quarantine rules for states in the North and East Zone. Today, let's find out the quarantine norms for the West Zone. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Welcome back guys. So let's start the West Zone states. First, let's get into Goa. So for Goa, thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. COVID test shall be done for all symptomatic passengers. However, the quarantine rules goes like this. Institutional quarantine for systematic passengers, institutional quarantine for symptomatic passengers till test results is available. All passengers shall be required to go for 14 days of home quarantine or can opt for paid institutional quarantine for 14 days. Exceptions to home quarantine: passengers shall be exempted from home quarantine in the below mentioned cases. Number one being, passenger is able to produce a COVID-19 negative certificate issued by ICMR recognized lab not older than 48 hours prior to the arrival time in Goa. Passengers opts for swab test upon arrival at the cost of 2,000 rupees and agrees to remain in paid institutional quarantine till the time test results are available. Now let's talk about asymptomatic passengers. To choose from one of the following options: produce a COVID-19 negative certificate by an ICMR recognized lab not more than 48 hours to the arrival in Goa. Mandatory 14 days of home quarantine if the person does not have a proper arrangement at his or her place of residence. He or she can opt for a paid institutional quarantine for 14 days. Opt for giving swab and getting tested at the cost of 2,000 rupees and be in paid institutional quarantine till the time test results come. Now let's talk about the state Gujarat. That will be Ahmedabad, Vadodara and Surat. So thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. Now all passengers must download the Arogya Setu app. All passengers arriving into Surat are required to register on the website on app before landing into Surat. So you will have to go to the state guideline rules and click. I will also be mentioning the same in the description box below. So that should be all about Gujarat and Goa. Now let's talk about Madhya Pradesh. Thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. Now passenger obligations are: all passengers must download the Arogya Setu app. All passengers are required to download the Indore 311 app and do a self-registration before arrival. Undertaking will be taken for home quarantine for 14 days in case passengers develops COVID symptoms. All passengers are required to update their health status in Indore 311 app for the next 14 days. For business travelers, there's no restriction if less than 3 days they choose to stay in Madhya Pradesh. While exiting the airport, passengers need to inform admin official about the short stay. Now let's go to Rajasthan. Now Jaipur, Jodhpur and Udaipur are the airports that fall under this particular category. Thermal screening again shall be done for all passengers. 14 days of home quarantine for all passengers. Symptomatic passengers shall be isolated and taken to the nearest health facility. All passengers must download Arogya Setu app. All passengers must submit self-health declaration and go through screening process. All passengers departing from these airports will need to get a pass issued from the counter before proceeding to the check-in counters. All flights must submit passenger details with mobile number in advance to the Rajasthan state government. Now, issue passes to passengers traveling out of these airports before the check-in process begins. So this is something which falls under the airport obligation. So we now come to Maharashtra. We will talk about specific airports in Maharashtra. First, let's talk about Aurangabad. Now, in Aurangabad, thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. 14 days of home quarantine for all passengers again. Now, exceptions to quarantine. All passengers intending to exit Aurangabad within 7 days of the arrival shall be exempted from quarantine, provided they are able to produce confirmed ticket for onward journey. Now, all passengers are requested to download the Arogya Setu app. Passengers intending to exit Aurangabad again within 7 days should be able to produce the onward journey, this is going to enable them to have the exemption from the quarantine rules. Now, let's talk about the airline obligation. Detailed list of arriving passengers with arrival flight number, time, mobile number and residential address to be shared with the nodal officer. Now, let's talk about Pune. Again, thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. Let's talk about the quarantine rules. 14 days of home quarantine for all passenger. Exceptions are all domestic passengers intending to exit Pune within 7 days of the arrival shall be exempted from quarantine, provided they are again able to produce their return or onward journey confirmed ticket. Now, let's talk about the airport Shirdi. Thermal screening again shall be done for all passengers. 10 days of institutional quarantine for all passengers at government facility at no charge or paid quarantine at designated hotels. 4 days of home quarantine post-institutional quarantine is over. Symptomatic passengers shall be sent to nearest COVID care center, and APHO team will put a quarantine stamp on left hand of the passenger. Now, all passengers are again requested to download the Arogya Setu app. All passengers must submit the health declaration form upon arrival. Now, detailed list of arriving passengers with again the arrival flight number, time, mobile number and residential address has to be provided by the airline to the state authorities or the nodal officer. Now, let's talk about Nagpur. Again, thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. Let's get to the quarantine rules. Symptomatic passengers shall be sent to the nearest COVID care center. 14 days of home quarantine for all passengers again. Exceptions to quarantine are all passengers intending to exit Nagpur within 3 days of the arrival shall be exempted from quarantine, provided they are able to produce confirmed ticket for onward journey. Now, all passengers again should be having downloaded the Arogya Setu app. Airline will have to be providing the passenger details to the nodal officer again here. And in this particular airport also, a quarantine stamp on the left hand of the passenger will be embossed. Now, let's talk about Kolhapur. Thermal screening shall be done for all passengers. COVID swab test shall be done for symptomatic passengers and all other passengers above the age of 60 years. Quarantine, institutional quarantine till the test reports are available. 14 days of home quarantine from the date of the test result is negative till the time that the results are being declared. 14 days of home quarantine for all other passengers. All passengers must download the Arogya Setu app. Now, airline obligation remains the same. You will have to provide the passenger details to the state authorities. And again, in this particular airport also, a quarantine stamp on the left hand of the passenger will be embossed. Now, let's talk about Bombay. Thermal screening shall be done for all passengers arriving. Now, let's talk about the quarantine rules. International passengers, 7 days of institutional quarantine. followed by 7 days of home quarantine. These are for the international passengers. Now let's talk about the domestic ones. 14 days of home quarantine. Now exceptions to quarantine are all domestic passengers intending to exit Mumbai within 7 days of the arrival shall be exempted from quarantine, provided again they are able to provide their confirmed return ticket. Now passenger obligation remains. The Arogya Setu app has to be downloaded by all the passengers arriving into Bombay. Now it also, passenger obligation for the ones who are coming back within 7 days will also have to have the returned ticket. Airline obligation includes the details of the arriving passenger list has to be given to the nodal officer or the state authorities. That will be all about Maharashtra, guys, and that will be the completion of the West Zone. I hope this helps. I am going to be back next week with the video which talks about South Zone. I hope you liked this one. Please share it with your family and friends. I'm going to be back with you next week again. Till then, you guys stay happy and healthy. This is Arpita, guys, signing off from Flights of Fantasy.